Some asteroids could wipe out entire cities. Asteroids may be fascinating, but they also pose one of the biggest threats to life on Earth. Throughout history, asteroid impacts have caused mass extinctions, and even today, astronomers keep a close watch on near-Earth objects that could pose a danger to our planet. A space rock just a few hundred meters wide could destroy an entire city, while a larger impact could cause global devastation. One of the most famous asteroid events was the Tunguska explosion in 1908. A small asteroid about 200 feet wide entered Earth's atmosphere over Siberia and exploded with the force of 1,000 Hiroshima bombs, flattening 800 square miles of forest. If that had happened over a populated city, the destruction would have been unimaginable. Even more concerning, it happened without warning. No one saw the asteroid coming. NASA and other space agencies have developed systems to track and study potentially hazardous asteroids. The DART mission, which successfully crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid to change its course, proved that we can deflect dangerous space rocks if necessary. Future missions might involve using nuclear explosions, gravity tractors, or even laser beams to push an asteroid away from Earth. Despite the risks, Earth is lucky to have Jupiter as a cosmic shield. The gas giant's massive gravity helps deflect many incoming asteroids, preventing them from hitting our planet. But astronomers say it's only a matter of time before another major asteroid impact happens. The real question is, will we be ready?